Consists of vitamin A, B, and C. Tastes exceptionally well. Good for your nerves and give you iron. Build up your man them sperm count. And let the woman them skin glow, refine, and smooth. You know the thing go.
Yes, I don't know there on one part, Clarendon. It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Bear Vibes, Regggae Vibes Media. So you know we are chat with the people over there in the street. We are also around one part of Clarendon. And as you can see, we have the fruits. I wouldn't even say fruits, man, alone. We would have said Guinep and sweets up and Neesberry. Because when I say fruits, I see area things, pine and ray. But I see Guinea. Yes, man. So, as you can see, watch the man. Mango in a bag, sour sap in a bag, sweet sap in a bag. Be a niceness in a bag. Yeah, one happy customer. You see me and say? Yeah, another man that make it possible when it comes to the happiness. That man a writer so.
A blessing, man. A blessing,
Yeah, that man a writer
blessing,
so.
a blessing.
So what them know you as out there?
Christopher.
So Christopher them know you as one of Clarendon part. So before you pass that, yeah, the train line at Joseph Beep there so. A place near Morris. Yeah,
man.
right, that's so Chris there.
Man. You get the greatest jerk pork, jerk chicken, curry goat, steamed fish, oxtail, you know the best thing, Clarendon Park. You see it?
Alright, so what you there do?
You know, say I have somebody there do my little juggling, say me look sweet sap, say me look Neesberry, sometimes mango, all around. 20 years now, you know.
20 years. So you must can tell me when it's a good day and a bad day. If I want to come do some business, I can know when for forward.
Alright, you have a day when you know, so like Saturday, Friday, Sunday, you know it's a fast day. You see it?
Active.
Active, more people come in, more town people come down and support the thing them when they are going back to them family. You see it?
Alright, so they go buy something and carry in. So you say Friday, Saturday, Sunday is more of an active day. So watch you know people, if you don't want to come to look at business down here, you hear it from Chris, you know. Don't come down here Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. You see me and say? Thursday no, but Friday, Saturday and Sunday, yeah, you eat piece of food.
Yeah, Regggae Vibes Media TV, you don't know a thing going on. Hustling you, now rob, now loot, now shoot. Me a baker too, you know, fresh from the bakery. Now me a deal with the farm, multi-talented, you see me? Hustling youth, fresh and nice. Consists of vitamin A, B, and C, tastes exceptionally well. Support the movements.
Food. So, me hear a little thing I go on. Your son, what you say, your son what?
You know my son is doing first music video at 13 about down at Juicy Beef and Morris. You see it?
So long, you youth an artist.
Yeah man, just a kind of music thing, you see it?
Alright,
Yeah,
so remember now people have to look out for Chris Youth, you know, because we're going to just put the information right there, so.
Yeah man.
Yeah, we're going to just, we're going to put the information so you can see him angles and everything. So Chris.
Yeah man.
Big up yourself, you know, man.
Yourself,
I want to man have more life and joy and greatness out there, you hear that? You could have feel like a one chopper, but no, a fruits him out there sell. You see me and say, Tracy one chop back, don't judge it. You see me and say, some of them know what go on. What's your name? What them call you out
Yeah,
there?
man, Kevin Blacks, you know, hustling youth straight, then call me still in there, you see?
Alright, Kevin Blacks, the straight hustler. You know what I mean? So you know you want your Guinep and them some of them youth will go hunt it for you and them thing there. No man, a normal, some money transaction is a day-to-day something. You see that? Yeah, because a hot bread. And when I talk about hot bread, the Guinep them a go. You know what I mean?
Fresh from the tree, man.
So what kind of advice I can give anybody who would want to come hustle in the street and try the thing?
Yeah, man, I tell you, would say, man, to lift up, you know, and do it, because a whole heap of things around for hustle, you know, you see it? Some look at simple things out there, apple, Guinep, name it, stir up, just do it, man.
But you have some man right now and say, no, I'm not come hustle nothing, not chopper life. So what you have to say to the youth them?
Do it, man. Then I say, I live like a chopper, man, but I collect money neatly every day, man.
So you hear that?
Them a walk, come towards the thing, man.
So you're not happy at chop.
I mean him hustling youth, you know, not rob, not loot, not shoot, you know. Remember deal with that bakery, you know. Natural thing, you know. Natural, me sell every type of fruits, you see it? You see me? Multi-talented, mix the thing, because you can't live in a one thing. You see me? So more I deal with the bakery. I deal, in my bakery, I make gizzard. In the gizzard, I make pineapple, cherry, guava, strawberry. Tastes exceptionally well. Peanut gizzard. You see me? You know, the Guinep now consists of vitamin A, B, and C. Tastes exceptionally well. Good for your nerves and give you iron. Build up your man them sperm count. And let the woman them skin glow, refine, and smooth. You know the thing go.
Hold on people, I care on that. And if you don't get the whole fullness of the whole thing, the hustling youth, I swear to you. So you can forward Clarendon, right, I'm already said the fish and jerk out there. Yeah, downtown, you hear me tell about the bakery goods them and them some of them. Kevin, aim of it.
And don't forget to youth out the way things can happen for them. Anyway, we have a youth, some youth now coming into where them do them music thing. but then have the drive where nobody really help them and push them thing to the max where they're supposed to go. So enough time the youth them have to leave from out of the country and go in a city to find the drive there and the push there to really push them things. Like this of my son. I have a son who is just 21 years old and him are doing things from about 17, 18. And now him have to go out there and go push him security work to push him things. So I never really have it. I don't know we have to just highlight him thing and give him. But I still give him the strength where I can give him. You understand? So enough get a youth out there right now where I say, boy, enough time them don't want to go in the studio but they don't have the money. Enough time them don't want to go play like football, they don't have the drive, there's nobody around them to really help them out and push them thing. You see me I say? So I want to man them to know so them to stop looking at the city and come in the country area and find whole heap of talent. Whole heap of talent there in the country. Said we and all the city alone talent there now. The country youth them have a lot of talent. Trust me. Trust me, when I say a lot of talent. Many young youth around my community right now, we have them football skill, they don't have no help. Them play them cricket said we, they don't have no help. You see me I say? The youth them were out there where doing violence and crime, me I beg you to do. Stop it. You don't have to work that way there. Because me now, me a 41 year old. And a street me know about. Me know about street life. Me don't know about no office life. I grew up without a father from me a 3-year-old. And it's my fruits, I eat my use and do my thing. Send all of my youth them to school. You see me I say? If you go in a field right now, you can find soursop, sweet sap, orange, Guinep, all type of things for us. So youth them for just know say yo, and I chopping alone. You see fruits? Me I tell you my youth, fruits are the best thing. You see me I say? We can put on the violence and stop the little foolishness so we do. So we're young, sometimes we're young and we do some little stupid thing, but we can realize to ourselves and say Jamaica, we need to step up the thing. You see me I say? Stop making big man then trick we. Stop making them fool we. We can spend our own money, buy our own pound of flour, buy our own pound of chicken back. Me I put it as chicken back, me not have to put it as chicken. You understand? Enough roast bread fruit and salt with butter. We hit ripe pear. You see me I say? So youth, make we just do the best way we can. Guinep, orange, mango time. Jamaica very blessed. When we say blessed, we're blessed. There's one season out, one on. If I'm a sweet sap, a orange. If I'm an orange, a mango. If I'm a mango, a Guinep. If I'm a Guinep, a sour sap, tangerine, orange. A man can go juggle there and look a cane. Juggle there and look a coconut. You see me I say? So I want the man them to just help to get to youth them, said we. Big man them out there, they can help to get to youth. You understand? And now we alone to do it. Anybody else can step up and play that part there. Big up your thing and big up yourself in general. I want love and blessing.